You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? A very interesting word. That's a word from French when something is not totally transparent. You cannot see through perfectly. It's opaque. Alright, so let's break down this pronunciation. It's fairly easy, right? Once you know O, just like O-W, opaque. Both British and American pronunciations have similar pronunciation. You kind of need to stress on a bit of both syllables, a bit more on the second one. Opaque, not opaque, opaque. Yeah. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.